you know, that much of the core got in there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the core is pretty good sometimes, man. Once it's
Well, it puts a little spice. It puts that little bit
crunchy.
Yeah,
it's crunchy too.
Almost a little bit of a mustard pepper.
Yeah.
But what I do is I don't put all the core in there.
Right.
So I'll save the core out, and then I'll put it on top of the sauerkraut.
Mm-hmm.
And then within a few days, it's like,
Yeah, I might be the crunchier the better. Yeah.
So what's the ratio again? Two tablespoons to a pound, or what?
1 tablespoon for 2 pounds.
1 tablespoon for 2
But
pounds.
that figures out a tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. So it's a 1.5 or 1.5 teaspoons per pound.
Okay.
But I just figured out like that. I'll use 6, basically 6 tablespoons. You might short, level them out or whatever. But
Yeah.
that's what I'm going to use on this.
You ever put pepper flakes in it?
I actually, like on that I had last night, sometimes in the evenings, I'll go and put a little hot sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Stir it up.
Okay.
Yeah. They use, in kimchi, they use an Oriental. Of course, they use Napa cabbage, and then they don't cut it fine like this. They
Leave it more.
cube it up.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I should go get my salt and start adding it to it right now.
You want me to get it for you?
Yeah, it's in down by the flour in the pantry.
It's the kosher salt?
Yeah.
All
No,
right.
it's pickling salt.
Pickle, yeah.
And
All right.
Get me a. I need a tablespoon. Measuring deal.
Tablespoon? All right. I'll grab them. You got a tablespoon in there?
I just probably been looking for a tablespoon.
You hit it on her. I'm gonna video this so I have the recipe. And I don't have to.
Yeah, you gotta
I'm better at videos than I am reading stuff.
go guessing about it.
And I need one more after I get this other cabbage cut.
Plus, I don't get to see your beautiful face when I when I read the recipe. So here. Now, do you get it to the right stage? You take your shoes off and start stomping on it?
You can.
You can. It adds extra flavor, right?
It does, especially if you go a while without washing your feet. That's
Yeah.
even better yet. See how you piece core.
A little snack for the chef.
Cool. I got 2 of them left.
Little nut hatch. So, what do you do after that? Just put a cloth over it, or
You gotta pack it.
pack it?
You can do it in a 5-gallon bucket, but what I'll do is I'll clean that crock out. And I should be able to get all this in that little crock.
Oh, just pack it right down into it.
So it gets the juice over the top of it.
Oh, so you pretty much juice it, smash all the juices out of it, and get it down.
The salt, if you leave this for an hour or 2, it'll wilt that cabbage, and the juice, you'll find juice right down on the bottom of it. It sucks the
Moisture
juice.
and everything.
Yeah.
That salt sucks the juice right out of the cabbage.
So this is what you made last time.
Yeah.
How long has it been set? 4 weeks.
2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that.
Okay.
Really, I didn't need a gallon, but put it in there anyway. can add garlic or other spices to it. Sometimes they put like a caraway seed or,
Yeah.
you know, and then juniper berries. I got juniper berries, and I did some in the first batch I made this year.
Yeah.
Small batch. I put juniper berries in it, crushed them, and put them in there. But I didn't really, you know, because that's what they flavored gin with.
Yeah.
I didn't really necessarily
Want your sauerkraut to taste like gin?
prefer that. That's good stuff.
Yeah. Tasty.
The idea is when it's working or just using some of it, we just pack it back down and get that. See how that juice is all up on top of it?
Yeah.
So even after you make it, just
Keep the air away from it.
Yep.
Like anything else you try to ferment.
In the if this molds, it gets a little moldy or little whites come on it.
Yeah.
You just take that off. That doesn't hurt you at all. But if it's a pink or an odd colored mold,
Yeah. The one I tried making, I didn't know what I was doing, but I tried making it a few years back. You got like a pink or different color, and it didn't. I tasted some of it underneath. I'm like, nah, this ain't good.
yeah.
It's not.
If it's white, just go and take it off, and then just pack it back down and get it under the surface.
Yeah.
There we go. That's already processed, and now we can pack. I might as well bring that bucket in. I might as well just do it in here.
All right.
Yeah, you didn't go. You're right.
So it's my first time then.
Yeah.
Is this frozen? This was frozen. What is that?
Oh, that's brats. Well, that might fit.
You want it up here?
What else?
Then you just pack down. That kind of bruises it a little bit, so
Yeah. Makes sense.
then as it warms up, it'll wilt even more. But
We'll just set this
I just-
outside. It's cold enough. Yeah.
it's amazing how much juice it'll actually produce in a short period of time.
Yeah.
Then you can use a block of wood. Take a piece of firewood
Stick that back.
and use that to pack it.
Crush it down a little bit.
Olives, anybody?
Nice, really? Probably put more in that garlic in there.
Yeah, I know. Well, anyway.
Looks good already. I could eat some of that right now.
That's what I mean. I can eat it the next day.
Yeah.
I can start eating it.
I know.
Should what? Oh,
She had a big breakfast.
oh, she went L.
Biscuits? Yeah.
I like that crock too. It's an old crock too, isn't it?
Yeah, I got another one the same size as this now.
Hey, what's happening?
Now I got a big one, but that big one would probably take 50 pounds of cabbage. This is, you're looking at 10 pounds.
That's a lot of sauerkraut.
This won't even be full.
Yeah. That's a lot of sauerkraut though.
Like I said, that massages that salt into the cabbage a little bit. To
Oh yeah, I guess that
move it
dissolves
around a
that
bit.
salt when you crush it with the juices on.
You can tell it's just, I'm putting the same amount of pressure I was earlier. And
I love you. I love you too. Handmade gifts are the best.
Yeah.
Oh yes, yeah.
you can actually hear the juices coming up in it. I'm gonna push on it.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's really sweet. I love it.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yep, it's all good.
You punched her enough and she's getting juicy.
Yeah, she came in and
I still feel very achy and my muscles are like tight and sore. I need.
And what you do is you put this on it.
So I'm pretty sure that's probably what it is.
Push her down. Oh, you got.
It's under the juice. Then I take the stone.
Uh-oh, there's stone involved here.
I'm gonna stone my cabbage.
Yeah.
know what it
Hey,
is?
you know what? I was gonna ask you about that. I figured you were gonna do
I
that.
got like
Rock cabbage.
headache and everything too.
what
So
you do.
it's
Instead of rock
fine.
carrots or rock cabbage.
No.